Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody watching is having a great day. Today we're back with another episode of 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. This is where I give you a quick review of a shoe that I picked up in under 1 minute. I'll put a link to my last episode up on the screen right here if you want to go and check it out. Make sure you also check out my Instagram if you want to see any of my shoe posts before anybody else does. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Today we're doing things a little bit different and extending the clock to 2 minutes so I can fit in all of the details of this release. Drum roll please. Today we're taking a look at the Sandy Bodecker Nike SB eBay Dunk. The Nike SB Dunk Low Sandy Bodecker was inspired by the original 2003 eBay charity auction Nike SB Dunk Low, which was supposed to be a one-of-one shoe which sold for a whopping $26,000. These funds were donated to the Tim Branch Foundation, which went towards a new skate park in San Jose. Tim was a skateboarder who passed away at the early age of 25. But apparently, Nike made a total of 3 pairs of this shoe. The second pair was cut into 4 parts with a saw to make sure it was still a one-of-one pair. It wasn't until 2018 that it was revealed Nike had a third pair, which was given to Sandy Bodecker, who was an extremely influential character who helped Nike SBs become as successful as they are today. Unfortunately, he passed away from cancer at the age of 68. The original pair can be bought online for upwards of $40,000 to $50,000. And now in 2022, the shoe was re-released as a general release to honor this monumental moment in sneaker history. The sneaker has a white base with overlays in the company's trademark red, green, blue, and yellow colors. The sneaker features clear stripes on the vamp, on the heel, and on the middle part. In addition, the shoe features a blue Nike swoosh on both sides with an SB emblem on the heel panel. Its tongue panel is constructed with a padded cushion and a Nike swoosh printed on it. Given the backstory and the fact that the shoe is an SB, resale value is definitely there. Most sizes are selling for around $150 to $175. Some sizes are sitting a little bit lower, but the important sizes are right around there. I think this shoe is stunning. Patent leather is beautiful, and the history behind this design is what really makes it a must-have if you collect SBs or any sneaker that was a part of history. Just please do everyone a favor and make sure you're wearing socks if you have these on. Well, this has been 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for all of your support and have a great day.